Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Microsoft Excel basics. Yes, Microsoft Excel beginner guide. This video will help you how to use Microsoft Excel basics. Excel is a beautiful software given for the Microsoft. So it is used to collect all kind of data. Excel used for the spreadsheet option. Using Excel, we can able to create a data analytics and salary package, payroll option and mark and students details, everything. Whatever you are going to create a budget or monthly budget, company budget, house budget, whatever things you can make Excel. Excel is a beautiful software. Use this software, you can able to achieve lot of accounting jobs. So in this video will help you how to start from scratch Excel. What is Excel? What are the operation there? What are the functions there in Excel? Let's look into that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open start menu and I just type Excel. So the Microsoft Excel I have installed in my laptop. So if you want to install free Excel, mean just click the description link. You know about how to install Microsoft Excel freeware. So this is an entire Excel screen. So use the screen, we can able to work out from the scratch onwards. So this is the latest model of Excel. So here there will be a home button, new and open. So home will has recent documents and templates. For example, these are the templates. For example, if you want to calculate the monthly company budget or money in Excel or any other things, there will be a nutrition tracker. Everything will be available in a template model. You can choose the template and you can work it out. If whatever you did recently you have saved the drive, means automatically it will be stored, it will be shown like that. So this is a recent file which I worked. So here there will be a new option. So if you want to create a new Excel sheet, so Word is called for a document, Excel is called for a workbook. So if you want to create a new workbook, you can create a new workbook. As I said, there will be a lot of templates will be available. For example, nutrition tracker and whatever, movie tracker and baby name and whatever you want you can have. So personal monthly budget, household monthly budget, weekly close schedule, everything will be available with the template. Use the template, you can create, otherwise you can start from the scratch onwards. So here there will be an open option. So once you click open, so whatever file you stored in your laptop or computer, you can open and check and update that. So both options, the three menus are most important while you open Excel. Yes, now I would like to start with a new blank workbook. I just click here to start a new blank workbook. This is a model layout of Excel. So there will be a top, there is book 1. So Excel, as I said, Excel is called for a workbook. So this is book 1 because I didn't save anything, so it will show like a book 1. So Excel preview. So this is a quick menu. So if you want to save the document, you can save here. So once you finish all the work, just click means automatically your file will be saved. So don't go to the file menu and save, so directly you can save. That's why the quick menu has given here. So if you want to save this overall workbook, so just go to file menu and click save, means automatically it will ask you to save where you want to save the file. So once you click, so this is my budget or anything else, Excel demo, I just type in the Excel demo and I saved, means automatically my file will be saved. Yes, as you see, so book is changed like a Excel demo. So you can able to understand while you're creating documents, you need to save. So every steps you need to save, because Excel is working for an accounts based. If you type something, so anything happen means it may be a crash. So please save wherever you are, wherever you're working. So please save. That's why they have given here the quick tool option. So this is a menu. So this menu has all kind of functionality, so Excel functions. So here there will be home, insert, draw, page layout, everything. So inside the home there will be a labels. So whatever there in the home, so home tabs has whatever menus and whatever information, so everything will be available in the label option. If you click insert, automatically insert label will open, so you can choose an insert label like a chart or anything else. So you can draw your own shapes and you can give to Excel sheet, and you can select the page layout, you can give the formula and data analytics, everything. So from scratch onwards, I would like to share the inputs. So Excel has given here the name, so cell name and formula bar. This is a cell name details, and name box, it will call for the name box, as well as this is a formula bar. So I'll explain to you later. So this is Excel has a boxes, so there will be a rows and columns. So if you want to create a table, you need a row as well as you need a column. So rows will identify so how many rows are there, and columns will be identify how many columns you are going to enter. So if data, so most probably data means you need to have the rows and columns. Yes, so this is a row and column. So each and every rows has contained the name, so that is number. For example, this is a row, so row 1, that is 1 2 3 4. This is defaultly Excel has given, and column has A B C like that name. So this is called for a cells. So if you select a box, means that is called for a cell. For example, this cell name, what is the cell name? That is called name box will display over here. So G6, so I selected G6, automatically it will show G6. If I select E9, means automatically E9 will be displayed over here. That is called for a sheet book, that is Excel cell name. So this is a cell name, and if you want to select the entire row, so you can select entire row. So clicking simple click, you can select entire row. Here there will be a status bar. Status bar is behind has a sheet option. So what is a sheet? So Excel will have a different kind of sheets option. So if you have a monthly budget or yearly budget, so you want to store single sheets or you want to create a book, so Excel is called for a book. So book has a different kind of sheets. So similarly, sheet we can create January, February, March. So similarly, we can create a different kind of sheets. So if you have a March month salary package, May month, June, July, you can give. So that is a sheet will derive the inputs. So Excel will have the book, and inside the Excel we have the sheet option. So you can rename the sheet also. Once you double click on that, you can rename. For example, this is a March month salary package. I can just click here, so automatically March it will be added here. So I can add May, so automatically it will be added over here. So that's the easy step. You can create a sheets. So there are 256 sheets we can create in Excel. So there will be a one sheet will contain around 1 to control arrow, so down arrow. So 1,48,576 entries you can made for the column wise, and row wise after the A to Z it automatically opened with, see I'm going to show you. So Z, once you complete 26 alphabetic order, after that A, so till it is comes X, F, D. So you can able to add more rows and more columns to create a one sheet of document. So one book has billion kind of table cells will be available. So use this option. Using only one Excel book, you can create a entire field of your company or your school or any other documents and data stored in the Excel sheet. So that's why the Excel has provided, Microsoft has provided us beautiful software Excel. Yes, so now I'm going to start with my name of my institution. For example, I just type my institution name. So once I type the name, so automatically it will ask me, I just type the Patrician College of Arts and Science. So it will disturb all the columns and rows. So how to make this one? It's a plain model. So just select this model and just go to wrap text. Automatically it will be changed like a wrap model. So one column. So this content will be stored in a particular cell. That's why the wrap text will be help you. So if you want to merge overall columns, I just select this option and I want to merge the merge the column and rows means just click merge and center means automatically your entire cell will be changed as a single cell. So this will help you to create a text and content. For example, this formula bar will help you, whatever you are typing, everything will be displayed over there in the formula bar. So if I want to enter something, some name, so mark sheet for 2021. So if I type means it will disturb two columns. I just select the area, which area I want to make title. I just select this and I just click here to merge and center means automatically it will change like a merge and center option. So this is a cool option. Use this option, you can create your title of your document. Yes, the next step, if I'm going to type 1, so I want to make 1 2 3 4 series means just select 1 and there will be a dot option, so you can able to see. So this is on corner, if you select the cell means the corner you will have a small dot, so just click the dot and drag means automatically the number series will be displayed over here. So I typed 1, automatically that number will be copied. I want to change 1 2 3 4 model means I just select here on a small button, I just select fill series means automatically it will change like a 1 2 3 4 to whatever number you want, you can enter. So if you can drag means automatically it will be filled with a number of columns. Yes, if you want to copy the same thing in the column wise or row wise, I just select and drag it means automatically it will change like a model. I just select and fill with series means automatically it will change. So you can have the access both areas, X and Y axis. You can fill your document, so whatever numbers you want you can fill. So not only the number, for example, so this is today's Monday, so I want to give a day order, so I just drag it means automatically Excel will choose and give orders, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if simply drag means automatically it will come. For example, monthly based you want, so January, so you want to make a February, March and April, I just drag it, automatically the month wise also will be available. So if you want to make this one as a row wise, just drag it, a row wise also will be available. So you can easily enter your data. So with your data you can enter, so no need to fill all the things directly. For example, I'm starting with 600, so I want to fill 600, 601, 602 means I just select here fill with series, 601 2 3 4 will be displayed over here. So this is a easy and coolest option. Use this option, you can able to analyze, so what is the text, inside the text whatever you do, and the numbers we can play the different kind of roles in Excel. So this is useful for you. The next one, how to calculate the formula, simple formula using Excel. For example, mark 1 and mark 2, so the total I need. So simple calculation, for example, so mark 1 has around 70 and mark 2 has 59. So how to calculate? So 70 plus 59 we need to calculate. So how to make easy calculation? So once you have this option, so you need a total, so total need an answer. So how to make this one? So here there will be a formula bar will help you. Here's how it will be help you. Before you give the inputs, that is sum of this, because you need to calculate this and the answer should become here, just select both option and select the empty space which is going to be a total and go to sum option, so auto sum option. Once you click here means automatically sum, average, count, maximum, minimum will become, just select the sum option, automatically the calculation will be displayed over here. For example, if I change the number means automatically it will change, yes, the total will come here. So similarly you can have access. For example, mark 1 I have 50 and mark 2 I have 45. So what is the total of this? So one method is you can select and you can make this one sum option, and the second one is just go to the total and give equal to. In your keyboard there will be equal to button, just select equal to and select the area, which area you want. Yes, so this cell I need to calculate plus, so plus or minus or multiply you need to give the formula, that is plus means you have your laptop or desktop has the plus, minus, everything. The calculation keyboard will be available. Just select plus and select which one you want to add. Just select, automatically it will be add over here. So this is an easy step. For example, if I have a many number of queues, so rows will be in, so there are many columns, I want to calculate. So simply you select and give the sum option, automatically it will be calculate overall there. For example, if you want to multiply or if you want to divide, it means just select 2, 3. So you want to make multiple, just equal to, just select the column and this cell and just click multiple symbol and just select the another cell, just enter, automatically it will be divided into, so multiply into the option. So this is an easy step. Use this option, you can able to get an idea. For example, if you want to do the average part, for example, so total and average, you want average, you need means just select the total and make, just click here average, so automatically average will be displayed over here. So mark to total and average, so totally 75% of average will come. So this is a simple calculation. Use this calculation, you can enable to get all kind of calculation method. So Excel has provided beautiful formula method. Use this option, you can able to work out. So this is a simple calculation you have did. My next video I'm going to show you how to insert the chart option, how to make a payroll option, everything. Just continue to watch the series and share with your friends. This video, if you like, means please give your comments in the comment box and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thank you dear friends, have a great and good day.